In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table of contents in Google Docs. This is a vital skill if you're working on lengthy documents or projects that include multiple sections. A well-organized table of contents can significantly enhance your reader's experience by allowing them to easily navigate through your material. Let's dive right in and see how straightforward it is to set this up. Before we actually insert the table of contents, it's crucial that we have our document headings formatted properly. This step is the foundation for creating an effective table of contents. Start by highlighting your first heading. Once it's highlighted, look up to the top menu where you'll see a drop-down labeled Normal Text. Click on that drop-down and a list of formatting options will appear. For a professional look, select Heading 2. This selection formats your text as a heading, which the table of contents will later recognize and incorporate. Don't hesitate to personalize it. You can make the text bold, tweak the font size, or adjust the styling to fit your document's theme. Remember, consistency in heading formatting ensures that your table of contents reflects all the major sections in your document. Now that we have our headings squared away, it's time to decide where your table of contents should appear. Typically, you would place it at the beginning of your document, but you have the freedom to choose any spot that suits your needs. Position your cursor there, then look up to the menu at the top of the screen. Click on Insert, and from the drop-down menu that appears, scroll down to find Page Elements. Within this submenu, you'll see the option for Table of Contents. Go ahead and click it. Once you select the Table of Contents, you'll be presented with a few different layout options. For this demonstration, I'll go with the classic dotted line style. It's neat and efficient, giving readers an easy way to see the connection between section titles and their corresponding page numbers. Click on your preferred style, and just like that, your table of contents will be added to the document, showcasing each heading alongside the relevant page number. If you find the default size of the table of contents a bit too small or doesn't match the rest of your document's style, here's what to do. Simply highlight the table of contents just like you would with any text. You can then go ahead and increase the font size by adjusting the text settings. This helpful tweak makes your table of contents more legible and visually cohesive with the rest of your document. And there you have it. You now know how to add and even customize a table of contents in Google Docs. If this video made your life a tad bit easier, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.